Wanted to show you YouTubers a little trick that I found. This is a GE profile dishwasher, and up until about a week ago, when I closed the door, this light would not come on and it would just beep a few times. And I looked around the internet to see if I could find some solutions to it, and according to one YouTuber, he said the problem is this switch up here that the door engages in, this little door switch here, and you see I've got some tape on it and I'll explain that in a moment. But when you close the door many times over several years, and this is about a 6-year-old unit, this little switch here gets a little bit loose, a little bit worn away. In other words, the door does not make a good connection in here because it's been worn away slightly. The plastic in here gets a little bit worn. And so many YouTube videos will show the process of replacing this switch. You have to get up underneath here. You actually have to bring the entire unit out and replace this switch. It's not hard to do, but you do have to go to some expense and trouble to do it. Well, what I realized is that if these two parts are not making good contact with each other, that if this upper switch has been worn away a little bit, then what needs to happen is that this piece can be just fitted with a little piece of electrical tape to make the fitting a little bit more snug. So I just put a piece of electrical tape on here, and now when I close it up, it lights up and everything is fine again. So I didn't have to replace this. I just had to fatten up this. And that's all there was to it, at least in my case. So that might be the case with yours. Try some electrical tape on this piece right here to snug up the fitting and see if that doesn't work for you. That's all.